Welcome back. In this video, I will walk you through the steps of registering a domain. But before following the procedure, let me give you a brief introduction about domain. A domain is the name of your website or a web address to your website. It is a combination of letters and numbers, and it can be used with various extensions such as .com, .org and much more. Every domain name is unique. For example, www.google.com is the domain or web address of Google. If a user types this domain into the browser, it will take you to the website of Google. Similarly, www.youtube.com is the web address of YouTube. Facebook, Twitter, and each and every website has a unique domain name. A domain has to be registered before you can use it. So let's get started and register a domain. Go to www.godaddy.com and type your preferred domain in the search field. Then press enter. Click on add to cart. Then click continue to cart. You have to create a GoDaddy account, so click on register. You can sign up using Facebook or simply type an email, username, a password and a 4-digit support PIN. You need this support PIN when you have to contact GoDaddy support center, so please write down all the account details with you. When you're done, click create account. You are now on the final screen before purchasing this domain. Select your preferred choices and then click add payment. Type the payment details and then click next. Add the billing address and click save. Click on complete purchase. You have now purchased this domain. Don't forget to verify your email address to activate this domain. In the next video, we will talk about hosting and its types.